This is the first time Juju and Belly has ever been out with the Freedom Rangers and Ducks. Hopefully everything goes smooth. Come here. Stay with me. I got them out. I'm trying to empty it out so I can move the tractor. As you see, they're all lounging right now. Come here, Juju, now. There's two of the ducks. They're all lounging under the tree. Probably that little bit of walk probably wore them out, you know? They ain't used to much walking. What's that, Ducker? Quack, quack, quacker. Come here, Juju. You don't know them, the guys. You can't be getting all up on them. Come here now. No. Junior, no. Say, man, I got a pizzang. Come here. Don't go in that tree. Them things can't even walk, dude. They don't even know how to walk. They're so bow-legged. Look at that guy shaking. His knees are shaking. And it ain't the dog. It's just he's fat. Too fat. Man, you better not come messing with me. Oh, yeah. Whoop that bird. This guy always gives me a hard time. Juju, come here now. Juju. I'm going to keep walking. Try to stay away from him. A lot of times, I just ignore him. And he'll leave me alone. It's when I focus in on him, that's when he gives me a hard time. Come on, Quacker. Come on, Quacker. Come on, Quacker. Come on, Juju. He's over there with the babies. Here, Quackers, look.